Welcome back. So in this new section we're going to jump straight into creating our second virtual machine. This is the Chrome node. A lot of these instructions will seem very familiar, and that's because it's all very similar set of instructions for setting up the virtual machines. So we'll once again type in virtual machine in the search bar. Great, here we are. Once again we'll click on create and we will choose virtual machine. I'm just going to reduce the size of my page so we can see more of the actual page we're looking at. Okay, so once again I'll stick with the pay-as-you-go subscription that I've been using. Now, resource group, we should be offered grid tutorial. Great, that's the one we created earlier. Now for this one here, the virtual machine name, I will go with Selenium Grid Chrome Node VM. That describes it very well. Once again, stick with the US West 2 availability zones. We don't want any redundancy for this simple proof of concept. Sticking with Ubuntu server again. My understanding is that we only have an image on that works on Linux, so we're not going to use a Windows machine. Okay, x64, we will use that still. Okay, and this has left us with exactly the same VM that we had in the first one. We're happy with that one, and that's about 10 or 11 US cents per hour. Again, enable hibernation, leave that, and we're going to switch over the authentication type to password and username. So I'm simply going to use the same username and passwords that I had used for my first VM. And once again, we'll leave the select inbound port set to SSH22. Now we want to go to networking. Okay, we've got the same option here for our virtual network, and we want to select that one because we want all of our virtual machines sitting on the same network. So now we can go to review and create. Great, now we can use the create option for that machine, and once again it says 9.52 US dollars per hour. That's sorry, 9 cents per hour. Okay, I'll pause this while we wait for it to build the machine. Okay, it's ready. We'll go to the resource. Okay, set up the standard machine that we asked it to. Has a private IP address of 10.0.0.5. We'll need to use that later on. Okay, I'll see you in the next video where we set up the Chrome node.